Alright, hello my friends. So I'm going to show you really easily how I was able to fix my generator here. Had an issue with starting. I bought this thing with 1500 hours, so I don't really know what it's supposed to sound like brand new. And I ran it for over a year, ran it well, everything was good. I changed my oil, put spark plug in, cleaned the air filter. I used the fancy fuel, because it's supposed to help it burn cleaner, so that it helps with the carburetor, doesn't get all gunked up. The battery's in good shape. The exhaust, I've also went in there and cleaned the exhaust, so everything ran well. But all of a sudden, it didn't want to kick over, and let's go ahead and listen to that. So it sounds pretty good in my opinion. It sounds like it really wants to kick over. So I thought maybe it's a starter, but I don't really know too much about motors and such. And so I believe that this is going to be the starter here, and this is the solenoid. There's a video of a guy who showed you how to test that, but I'm afraid it wasn't all that good in my opinion, because you're starting to get into multimeter stuff, and I'm like, what? How do you do that? I'm really that bad at this kind of stuff. So I saw another video where somebody changed what this turned out to be is the ignition control module. And so that ended up being the situation with me. Now, to get in here, alright, if you've never done it before, remember you gotta take out the cotter pin on your wheel, and then you remove your wheel, and then you gotta unscrew a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, so you gotta do these 3 screws here, 2 screws on top, and another 3 screws on the bottom, or on the side, on the side, and that's gonna be these little ones here. Then on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, you have these bigger ones, right? So that's actually the bigger process of this whole situation. And here is going to be the how it sits in the generator. You're sitting 2 screws here. Okay, so we have our replacement right here. As you can see, this plate here, we're going to remove this from the generator. It's connected to the generator, and we're going to plug that in. That's one. Now I'm going to replace this here later, but the important part is how you do the rest of this. And let's see here. Here you have this cable here that goes to the generator. This one goes to the ignition control modulator. Module. Anyway, it's yellow. It's orange and white. Remove that. Then you take your new one, orange and white, and you connect it to the generator with orange to orange, white to white. Then you take the other one, unplug it, bring your new one in, connect it the same way, red to red and yellow to yellow. And let's find out. Let's kick it up a notch, put it on start, and that's how simple that is. So this part here cost me $15. So on eBay, I got it on eBay for $15. So this is the ignition control module. That's what it looks like. And I guess it didn't turn out to be the starter or the solenoid, thankfully. And it's just that. So hopefully this helps you. I would suggest that you buy this thing if you do a lot of camping, because for $15 you don't want to get stuck in the middle of nowhere. without it working. Alright, thanks.